This December, instead of scrolling on screens, try rolling out zines. Wait, what's a zine, you ask? Zines, short for magazine or fanzine, are creative self-made publications that can be filled with text, artwork, collages, and much more. Zines can cover any topic of interest to you, from serious to lighthearted and anything in between. Every Monday in December, Skokie Public Library will host an online workshop all about making zines. We'll show you how to create an 8-page zine using a single sheet of paper and how to create the stuff that makes up a zine. We'll also share favorite zines from our personal collections and focus on themes to help guide weekly explorations, including colors and shapes, change and transformation, home and community, and gratitude. Anyone can make a zine, and we're here to show you how simple it is to start your own practice. Zine making workshops will meet every Monday in December from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. If you're interested in attending, you can register for any or all of the sessions. If you make a zine you really love, consider adding it to the Skokie Stories COVID-19 collection, an archive of the creative ways our community is responding to this historic moment.